If you think cars of today are just a combination of power, space and driving pleasure, then think again. Most cars manufactured today contain at least one computer. The computer controls the different functions of the car, making a car more friendly and safe.
It gives you the optimum fuel efficiency when you are driving a vehicle, unlike the old carbureted vehicles, what we had to play around with the jets and get the optimum tuning level for it to perform to a certain degree.
A computer is usually installed in the engine control module or the ECM. The ECM monitors engine emission and adjusts the engine to keep emission level low. The computer receives information from different sensors like the oxygen sensor, the air pressure sensor, the air temperature sensor, the engine temperature sensor, the throttle position sensor, the NOx sensor and the oxygen sensor located at various places in the engine. Using the information, the computer controls the fuel injectors, spark plugs and the idle speed to get the best performance.
The ECM, or the engine control module as it is known as, has a number of sensors running all over the car which feed it data from a central system known as a bus system. Now these sensors can be an oxygen sensor which is in the air intake, it can be a throttle position sensor which may be in the accelerator switch, or it can be sensors all around the car, which means it senses the amount of load, that is the number of people that might be in the car. It senses the amount of throttle pressure, that is how far the accelerator is pressed. It senses the condition of the outside air, whether it is dusty, hot, cold, whatever. Accordingly, it modifies the fuel mixture to the engine and gives it greater power and drivability. It also means that engines breathe better and therefore they run better.
Other than the performance, the computer also senses dysfunction of the vehicle by beeping the check engine and informs the driver of a fault. The computer further helps a mechanic diagnose codes and fix problems. A tuning problem can be sorted out simply by changing the ECM chip.
Every ECM in a fuel injected car has what is known as a limp home function. This limp home function, what it basically does is that it programs the car in such a way that it at least reaches its next destination. Maybe not at a blazing speed, but at 50 kilometers an hour or so it will run the car for 100-150 kilometers. This is a backup system which is always present in every ECM, and then that problem can be appropriately diagnosed.
We have ECMs, we have speed sensitive steering wheels in one of our vehicles, one of our models. What that does is at high speed it decreases the effort on cornering and it also increases the stability point. That means if we are taking a corner at high speed, this steering wheel will become heavier. If we are taking it at lower speeds, the steering wheel will become sensitive.
The most common computer used in a car is to control the steering. Electronic power steering is a computer-controlled steering that has replaced the hydraulic power steering, providing greater maneuverability. Other areas where computers are used in a car is for anti-lock braking, airbag controlling, security systems, advanced climate control system, radio or CD player with digital displays, cruise control, and others depending on the price of the car.
We have around 35 different chips what we are using, and today you cannot imagine that you would drive all these ABS and brake assist systems or ESP systems without any computerization. And in years to come, I think it will shift to wireless.
Not only air conditioning systems, but seating, cooling, carrying capacity, you name it, and a chip is today doing that work. The future seems bright because this is what chips are programmed to do, and as time passes by, these chips will do more of these work at a lower cost, which means perhaps cheaper cars and cars that run better.
The demand for luxury cars have led to a range of vehicles that are almost a rolling computer network. While our own Maruti 800 consists of 2 computers, some of the luxury cars are installed with as many as 30 to 40 computers depending on the price of a vehicle. So if you want a computer-driven car, you better be sure to afford it.